In this video, you will see how to get started with GoFindMe GPS Tracker. It's very easy to use. Power button, USB charge port, LED light, device ID, SOS button, speaker. Press the power button for more than 3 seconds.
Powered on.
Now, GoFindMe is on. Keep Bluetooth open on your phone. Open GoFindMe app. Tap Connect to GoFindMe on the map. And select your device. App connection is completed. Tips. There are 2 ways to check whether you connected to the right device or not. Method 1. Check device ID. Tap here. Make sure the device ID is the same as that on your device. Method 2. Check device light. Tap Setting button. Enter Connection Management. Tap here, and the connected device will shine blue for 3 seconds. Tap here, you can stop the current connection and switch to another device to connect.